guess it's morning for some of us and later afternoon for others. So if you're West Coast, good morning. East Coast, good afternoon. I just wanted to say that I am so impressed and proud of every single person who's on here. I know when we announced that our digital collectibles were, the C word, crypto, it can cause a lot of fear. And so I'm just proud of everyone who's on here willing to push out of their comfort zone. When Danielle and I were talking about the name of the company, what we loved about the name Awakened was sometimes waking up is a little hard and it's a little uncomfortable. And so a lot of the things and a lot of the things we teach here, including the mindset, might be a little uncomfortable. And I know that MetaMask falls right into that bucket of uncomfortableness. So I just applaud everybody who is on here to learn about it. I promise once we get done, you'll be like, oh, that was actually really simple. And you'll be the proud owner of a MetaMask wallet. So let's get right into it. Once again, please do not stress, okay? So I want to make it very clear that this is not required to purchase your Founders Pack. All of the perks that come with your Founders Pack are actually attached to your back office. So you will automatically be put as a Founding Pack tier. Your free shipping, your free convention tickets, your free product, all of that will be attached to your back office. So it's not required to purchase your Founders Pack. Now, it is required if you'd like to store your digital collectible. So if you want somewhere where you can open up and look at your beautiful digital collectible, if you on Facebook or Instagram have been seeing hey, display your digital collectible, and if you ever click on that, you'll notice that what they have you do is attach your MetaMask so that it can pull your digital collectible from your MetaMask. So if you're wanting to get your digital collectible and then proudly display it, I mean, what an awesome way to pique interest, right? I have one friend who's displayed their NFT on their Instagram, and people are like, what is this? What is this? So what a great way to pique interest about Awakened. So if you want to display it on your Instagram or Facebook, then you will need to download a MetaMask. But right now, we're going to walk through every step on mobile and desktop. So I'm not joking. If you want to pull your phone out, we will download it right now. And MetaMask, Brenda, is just a way to store your digital collectibles. So think of it, it's a crypto wallet. So just like your normal wallet that holds your credit cards, your ID, and everything else, your gym membership, this is a digital wallet. So as our world moves, whether people like it or not, into kind of a more digital format, I'm sure that people that watched the world move from cash to credit card were like, what? It's going to be kind of that same thing. As we move from credit card to more digital, you'll need a digital wallet. And MetaMask is one of the most popular digital wallets. It's able to hold all of any crypto that you purchase, as well as your digital collectibles that you will be getting when you purchase your Founders Pack. So hopefully everyone kind of understands what MetaMask is. Like I said, we're going to walk through every step. So you can legitimately right now pull out your mobile phone, or if you want to do it on your desktop, that's fine too. Keep in mind that if you do not use Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, or Opera, the best way to do it is to download the app on your phone. Either way, super simple. But if you are wanting to do it on your desktop in Safari, Safari is actually not a very safe browser. So MetaMask is like, nope, no Safari. So if you only have Safari, let's do it on your phone. But if you have Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge, Opera, we can do it totally on your desktop. So the app with the fox. Yes, Michelle, it's the app with the cute little fox. Foxes are actually my daughter's favorite animals. We've had 3 fox birthday parties in a row. So yep, the app with the fox. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now, and yep, if you have any questions, this is a really interactive training. So please drop your questions in the chat. And you might not know what you're doing, but Beverly, you're actually drawing on the screen. So I'm going to erase it. It's a beautiful piece of art, Beverly. Thank you. Okay. Let me undo that now. Perfect. Okay. So what you're going to do, we're going to go through mobile first. And we are going to open your app store. So I apologize for all the Android users. I'm sure the process will be very simple. I took screenshots of, and I'm an iPhoner. So go to your app store right now and you're going to type in MetaMask and you're going to see that cute little fox icon pop up. And you won't see the cloud like it shows right there because you guys have not if you haven't downloaded it yet. So you're going to press install or download, whatever your guys' says. So you're going to press that. You're going to install MetaMask. And then once it's done installing, you're actually going to, oh, perfect. Carmen says it's the same for Android too. Awesome. Okay. For the Droid users, it's intuitive. Perfect. I really like the cameras on the Androids. Apple has stepped their game up a little bit, but I'm always so impressed I have a lot of friends that take pictures with their Android. I'm like, my goodness, it's beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so let's download that. And then once you download it, you're going to press open. Please, if anyone's actually downloading it right now and it hasn't downloaded, hit the chat and let me know. I need to wait for a second because like I said, this is going to be a super interactive training. And so I don't want to go too fast, but I also don't want to go too slow for people. Super fast download. Awesome, Brenda. Your internet must be on top. Still downloading. Okay, so and Andre, is that how you say your name? It's still searching. So type in MetaMask, the full right here, MetaMask, up in the search bar. It's a free download, Lila. So Lila, so I'm not too sure why it would be asking you for a credit card. Did anyone else ask for a credit card? Yeah, no. So it shouldn't be asking for a credit card. It's a free download. Awesome. Thanks for all the responses, you guys. It just asks for Apple ID. No, Kimberly, you're totally fine. It's taken a while. That's okay. We're here to make sure everyone gets to the end feeling really great about it. This will be the hardest part right here, just getting it to download. Okay, so if it's download, just press open and then hold it there and we'll walk through the next steps in 1 second. Yay, Angie, I love that. Okay, that was insanely easy. I promise you guys, by the time we get done, you're gonna be like, oh. If you're on a PC, Tonya, we're gonna go through the desktop version here in a second. You probably honestly can go through the desktop at the same time we're going through the mobile because it looks very similar. Oh, good. Ed and Kathy, you're probably right. Okay, so the person who was saying it was asking for a credit card, if you've never downloaded an app, it may be requiring you to enter your credit card in settings, but it will not charge you for this app. Janice, can your sister and you share a MetaMask wallet? I mean, I think you could, but that would kind of be like sharing your actual wallet. Like I don't think people in real life share their actual wallets, but if you trust her, which I hope you do, you probably could. Yay, Angie, that makes me so happy that things were super easy. Okay, so we're gonna move on. So once you download it on the app, you're gonna come to this middle section right here and it's gonna look like the welcome to MetaMask. So obviously you're gonna press get started. And then right here, it import secret using secret recovery phrase. That's if you already have a MetaMask wallet. So most of us don't have a MetaMask wallet. So you're gonna do create new wallet. Yep. Create new wallet. Perfect. Okay. Lynn, can you guys hear me still? Lynn's saying we lost you, Ashley. Okay, I'm back. Okay, good. So yep, you're gonna press get started, create new wallet. Okay, easy enough so far. It's not wanting. Just a sec, you guys. Sorry. Oh.
So while you're doing that, Ash, I'm just going to let everyone know that came on late, and there's been a bunch of people on late. This is being recorded. We're walking you through how to set up your MetaMask. If you'd like, you can do it after this with the recording. Highly suggest you do it today so that you're ready on Monday for minting. And that's meaning, AKA paying for your founder's pack, so we can get your product ready to ship.
Okay, perfect. Sorry, my icon was
No,
still
no
on
worries.
my icon was still on the eraser, so it wasn't letting me scroll down. Okay. Susie, mine says creating your wallet, but it has been spinning for several minutes now. Is that typical? I don't think that's super typical. So yeah, make sure you press get started, create new wallet. Okay, so here's where we're going. This is the most intense process. So if you can get through this, you're good. And we're all going to get through this. So all you're going to do now is it's letting you know that MetaMask is going to gather basic data, but it's not going to ever collect your IP address. So you're completely safe off the radar. It will never sell your data. So you're going to scroll through that and click I agree. Okay. And then it's gonna have you watch a short little video. And what this is going to go over what MetaMask is. It's going to kind of give you a download of what you're going to be doing to secure your wallet. Andrea, yes, this will be recorded, so that if you don't have good service. Yep. Okay, so you're going to go through that, and then you're going to watch that short little video. And from there, you're going to secure your wallet. Now, this is where I want to be very clear, having you make a password. Yep. You make your password if it's having you do that right now. You guys, make your password. Okay, I'm going to wait for a second. Yep. Make your password and then it should go to the video. Video is after password. Yep. And make sure you remember this password. If you have a secure way of storing your passwords, it's really important to remember this password. Yep. Stephanie says, she keeps her passwords and this phrase in a locked note that cannot be erased. I would have written it down or saved it somewhere. Yep. Okay. So once you do the password, then we'll show you that fast little video. And now we're going to do what's called securing your wallet. So you're going to press start. And right here, you're going to tap to reveal your secret recovery phase. Okay, so let me stress this a little bit. This is the only way to get into your MetaMask account if you lose your password. For example, you can't even email or call up MetaMask. They won't know how to get into your account. So it's really, really important. Yep, Stephanie, so important that you put these words down. You write these words down in the correct order, because if you ever get locked out of your MetaMask, you can't remember your password, these are the words, this phrase is what's going to get you back in. Yep, I took a screenshot of the security words and printed it, put it with my important papers. Perfect, Tracy. Yep, screenshot, and then delete it out of your screenshots and then print it and put it with your important papers. So also, it's really good right now to actually write them down, because what we're going to do in the next step is it's going to make sure that you know your phrase in the correct order. So write those words down. They're the keys to your cheese. I love that, Lori. Yep, Heather wrote those 12 words in order and put them with your important docs somewhere safe. Yes, 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 yes. So write them down in order and put them somewhere safe. Mine are in an actual safe. Okay, perfect. Carmen, just any words? No, no. So once you go to secure your wallet and you get to this phrase part, you're going to press view, tap to reveal your secret recovery phase, this middle one, this view, and then it's going to bring up 12 words. I blocked them out because these are my words. Sorry, so I should have mentioned that. These have words underneath them. I've just blocked them out. Nancy, where are you at? Have you downloaded the app? I am back on the video. Okay, perfect. Now just move forward through the steps. So you press start. And then you're on the video, and then you're going
Are
to...
they case sensitive, Ashley? Someone asked.
I would just do it exactly as they are.
That's what I was thinking.
Yep. Easy. I've already done. I've created a couple walks in the past. Awesome work, whoever that is. Yep, Monica, you get cute. You'll all see you get cute little confettis at the end for the congratulations when you're done. But so, yep, write these words down. Sonia is saying, yes, they are case sensitive. Yep. Carmen, it didn't allow you to screenshot, so you're writing them down. Yep, your phone must be high security. That's great. Lori, don't ever give your key phrase to anyone. Yes, do not. These are like the keys to your house. Don't. Yep, they'll be able to download your entire MetaMask and put your keywords in and take everything in there. Yep, she's right. So this is something you just keep very, very close to you. Lynn, it's 1, 2, 3. Lynn, it is 12 words. You're not choosing the words. They will give you your words. Once again, there are words underneath these white spots. I just blocked them out. I should have used a different color because it looks like there's no words, but yeah, they will give you your secret recovery phase. Okay, for anyone who's stuck, like we said, this will be recorded and we will put it up right after this. There's a good chance you're stuck because of the internet. So you can go back through this training and go through it step by step again with me. Yay, Jody. Wow, easy. That's awesome. Okay. Okay, so now that we've written down your secret recovery words, right here, you're going to press this continue, and then it's actually going to have you put your words back in the same order. Does that make sense, everybody? So it's going to show you your words. I had to block mine out because my words are all in here. So the words are going to be down in here, and you're going to click on the words in the order, your phrase in the order it was. Yay, everybody. That makes me so happy. You guys are all MetaMask. Yes, good job. Okay, I have my recovery passwords in and a green check mark, but it's frozen. Okay, Michelle, might just be internet. Just let it chug for a second. And then I hope you guys all enjoyed the awesome confetti when you finished. Okay, so for anybody who it's not working, please don't stress. We're going to upload this recording so that you can go through it in your own time, maybe restart your internet and everything. So here's the next steps for people who are it's finished. It's going to take you now to your account, and right here is your account number. So here's what you're going to do. If you plan on purchasing a digital collectible, a founder's pack, we're going to do this right now. Everyone ready? You're going to hold, if you're in your app, you're going to hold that part down, and it's going to paste it to your clipboard. So you're going to copy it. You're going to open your email and paste it into an email. You're going to send it to us. In that email, you're going to give us your full name and your member ID. If you don't know your member ID, please give us your full name, and we'll just try to look you up by your full name. Make sure it's the name you used when you signed up. So if you used an LLC, give us that. So you're going to give us your full name, your member ID. Christy, This is if you're paying with credit card. So let's talk about that one more time. This MetaMask is not required if you're paying with credit card. What it is required for is if you want to store your digital collectible. So if you pay with credit card, what we're going to do is we're going to get your MetaMask ID from you right here by email. And then we are going to airdrop it to you within a week of your Founders Pack purchase. No, you guys, let me make this clear. You do not need to do anything else with this account now that it's open. You are just, we will airdrop you your NFT, and then within 1 week, you'll be able to go into your MetaMask account and actually view your NFT. Your MetaMask address, you guys, is right here. So if you're doing this on a mobile phone, it's up here, and you're going to just hold it down and copy it. Okay, so shoot us an email to nft@awakenednation.com with your MetaMask address and your full name and member ID. It should let you copy, you guys. That's the only way to get your address. So make sure if you're on a desktop, there's going to be a little copy button to the right. And if you're on a mobile, it's going to be right here, and you're literally just going to hold your thumb down on it. Let me see real quick if it's not letting you do that. Let me see if there's a different way for anyone who's it's not letting copy. Yeah, you guys, so it should just, if you're on, I just made sure, so if you're on your mobile, just touch it. You don't even have to hold it down. Just touch that, this account number right here. Mine worked on iPhone. Perfect. It briefly says copy to the clipboard. Okay, perfect. So that might be where people are a little stressed out. It briefly says copy to your clipboard. So if you touched it, there's most likely a good chance it copied to your clipboard. So open your email in your phone, paste it right into your email, and then you're going to send us the email, send it to nft@awakenednation.com. Yep, if you're stuck in congratulations, you need to hit done. Hit done, and then it will take you to your account. Yep, if you copy and paste into an email, the number looks much longer than what we initially saw. Yep, so this is a truncated version of your wallet address. Yep, okay. So you're going to send the email to, you include your full name, your member ID, and then your MetaMask wallet, and then send it to nft@awakenednation.com. Yep, you can put MetaMask as the subject. Perfect, you guys. And after you purchase your founding member pack, that your NFT will then be in your MetaMask wallet within 1 week after your purchase. And if you go into your account right now, you'll see there'll be a section for tokens and a section for NFTs. Is this wallet only for ETH? Nope, this wallet is for any crypto that you ever purchase. So this is a perfect way if you ever get into purchasing crypto, you can do it all through here. Awaken member ID and email. Just, you can put your member ID in the subject. So put your name and member ID your name and member ID in the body of the email. You can put the subject as MetaMask. Okay. So I'm going to go through this part really quick because I think most everybody, but you guys can keep asking questions. This is if you want to do it on a desktop really quick, and wait till the end because I am going to show everybody some of our awesome digital collectibles so you can kind of know what you'll be getting. They are stunning. So we're going to go through this part really quick. So if you're on a desktop and on Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, or Opera, You are going to go to metamask.io, metamask.io. You are going to press download. And then you're going to press install MetaMask. So for example, this is for Chrome. So you're going to press install MetaMask for Chrome. And let me tell you guys this, if you already installed it on your phone, you don't need to install it on your desktop. You can, but if you already installed it on your phone, when you go to install it on your desktop, you will do that secret recovery phase, and then it will be on your desktop and your phone. Terry, do I need this if I'm paying by credit card? Okay, we discussed this a couple times, so let me make sure everybody understands. If you pay by credit card, you do not need a MetaMask account to purchase the Founding Pack digital collectible, but you will need it to store your digital collectible. So if you don't have a MetaMask, we have nowhere to send your digital collectible. We'll just hold on to it, but you won't have it. All of the perks associated, like the free shipping and the matching bonus and everything, will automatically be associated with your back office. So if you're like, I don't really care about the artwork and I don't care about my digital collectible, that's totally fine. You don't need to do this. So, but if you want to hold on to your digital collectible and you have a beautiful piece of Awakened Nation art, you will want to download MetaMask. Susie, you do not need to create another security password unless you really want to be extra secure. Okay, so this is the desktop, you guys. This is not mobile. So you're going to download it, and then you're going to add it to Chrome. So this is going to add an extension to Chrome. You're going to press add extension. Yes, Penny, this is to store your collectible. Add extension. And then honestly, from here on out, it's the same process we just went through on the mobile. So you're going to press get started, and this is right here where I said if you've already set it up on your mobile but you want to set it up on your desktop, you're going to do import wallet, and you're going to use that secret recovery phase, those 12 words, to also add it to your desktop. If you have not added it on your mobile and you've never downloaded it, you're going to do create a new wallet. And you're going to go through the exact same steps. The I agree. You're going to create your password. You're going to watch this little video if you'd like. It just talks about your recovery words and why they're so important, but I think we hit on that quite ad nauseum on this call. And then you're going to click here to reveal your secret recovery phase. So you can see that I blurred that here. Here's their secret recovery phase. You're going to write all these down. You're going to press next. And then you're going to have to put that secret recovery phase back in the exact order it was. You're going to press confirm. And I don't think you get the confetti. You might, but congratulations if you just put it on your desktop. Nancy, I'm so grateful. That was easy. Okay, on your desktop, right here is where your account number will be. You'll press these little boxes to copy it, and you're going to do the exact same thing. So copy your address, open your email, paste it into the email, give us your full name, member ID, and then send it off to nft@awakennation.com. Yep. If you don't have your member ID, that's fine. Just give us your name. We'll attempt to look you up. If you signed up, once again, not using your name, but like an LLC, make sure you give us that instead. And I want to make it very clear that after you purchase your founding member pack, your digital collectible, if you send us your MetaMask wallet, will be in that wallet within 1 week. Okay. So I thought we gave sneak peeks a little while ago, but they were they were just the original time. Oh, sorry. You guys, my brain, it's a little crazy over here at corporate getting ready to launch. So it was the original artwork. So now I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. Let me see if I can get this out of what the digital collectibles will look like. Let me see if I can you guys see my screen? Okay, so I wanted to kind of tell you one more time how these came about. What's really cool is you can see how these digital collectibles look a lot alike, but they're completely unique. And so our artist from Utah made 8 different layers in 20 variations per layer. So the background is a layer, the sun is a layer, these birds are a layer, the logo's a layer, the foreground's a layer. And what our mint machine does that's really cool is it takes one layer from each or one variation from each layer and it combines it all together to make these beautiful digital art, your digital collectibles. So every single person who purchases a founders pack will receive a completely unique piece of awakened digital art. And there's a couple different foregrounds. The birds, all change. The logo in the back changes. The sun flares and the clouds are a layer. So
Can I just pipe in here for anyone who
yes.
knows NFTs, guys? NFTs, aka digital badges, aka digital collectibles, whatever you want to call them. Start looking at the ones that are out in the world. Most of them are pretty not pretty. These are
Yeah.
beautiful. These have meaning. These match our company's heartbeat and what we really want to evoke in people. We want you to be free. We want you to get free of what's going on in your life from the past and get you to the next level. That's really how Awaken came about. And so we wanted the artwork. A lot went into these images, lots of meetings, tons of hours. And so this is really special when you own one of these guys. It's yours. And
Yes.
it's unique to you, but it's also unique to our brand.
Yes. When Danielle and I were kind of going back and forth on what type of picture we wanted, we knew we wanted the sunrise in our Awakened logo. So if you can see that, the sun coming out of the Awakened logo, because for us, waking up and waking up to how amazing and powerful you are just reminded us of the sunrise, like waking up every morning. And so we, like Danielle said, we wanted to create something beautiful. And so now you kind of comprehend why it would be awesome to have a MetaMask account so that you can display these things, these beautiful digital collectibles on your Facebook and Instagram and pique interest of other people. You can say, I just got my very first digital collectible or my very first NFT. And people will be like, oh my gosh, what? Because you'll be one of the 3%. I always say this on every call, one of the 3% who actually in the world who actually have purchased an NFT. So for everyone who was skeptical about how easy it was to download MetaMask, I'm so proud of all of you guys for downloading it. If you're running into some issues, we're going to post this video in the Facebook group. So make sure you're in that Facebook group and you can just go through it at your own pace. Let's say your internet kind of slowed you down. You can go back through this at your own pace to download your MetaMask wallet. Just be sure to send us that MetaMask wallet so that when you do purchase your digital collectible, your founders pack, we can get this to you ASAP.
Also, I wanted to say, guys, for those of you who either had trouble or you have someone who's saying it's really hard for them, this does not need to take place now. They can get their founders pack. They can do everything they need to do, right? Ash, this does not interfere with the purchase of and the starting of their commissions and building their business. This would be something that if you need to walk them through it and it's not the right time, don't stress. Have them get their founders pack so we can ship their product, right? We want everyone to pay and we want to get your product out first because as owners of these digital collectibles, you get your shipment out first. So don't let this part, even though it's fairly simple, don't let this part slow your team down.
Yes, 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 Danielle. I want to just reiterate that this is not required to actually purchase your founders pack. So if anyone's stressed, just have them purchase it and then walk them through it with this video. Make it super simple. We don't want it to be a roadblock for people not purchasing a founders pack. There was a couple questions, so let's open it up for questions. There was a couple questions about if people pick your own layers. No, that's what's so cool is our Mint machine actually picks the layers for you. It has an algorithm to make sure it never picks the same layers altogether ever again. So like I said, each one of these, the one you get will be completely unique to you. Danielle, how are you feeling? Monica's being so kind and asking.
Oh, that was super sweet. Well, I did what we call the half rest. Like I didn't have as many calls for the last 2 days, which was wonderful. And I've been drinking a lot of green juice. And then I had one of our doctors in the company do some work on me. So I feel much, much better. Thank you for asking.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, any other questions? This is, like I said, this is an interactive. Do you hit lock to getting out of the app? Kathy, I'm so sorry. I'm not too sure what that means, but if you need to lock the app, maybe that's a good thing. How do you proceed if you're stuck? If you're stuck, Reba, don't stress. Just, we will put this video up in the Facebook group, and you might need to just cancel out of your app. Oh, don't lock your account. Oh my goodness, Leanne, thank you. No, don't lock your account. Well, let's listen to Leanne. I trust her. I'm not too sure what locking your account would do, but don't lock it. How do we get address to copy and get off that page? If you're on your mobile phone, Sandy, you will touch the address and it will automatically copy to your clipboard. And then when you go to paste it in an email, it will paste for you. If you're on your desktop, hit those little squares and it will copy. Just start over if it went wrong. It's okay. Angie, yep. I love that. Just start over if it went wrong. Not a big deal. What's kind of cool about these MetaMask accounts, and maybe this will ease your fears a little bit, unless you have Ethereum or NFTs in there, you can literally open as many accounts as you want. It's like you can get as many wallets as you want to hold your credit card. So this isn't like something that if it messes up one time, you're in trouble. So just start over. You're totally fine. No, don't click lock. Okay, don't lock your accounts, you guys. When you purchase our founder packages, how do we upgrade? So if you have reserved a founders pack, when you go to purchase it that day, you can choose between the 3. So you have access to choose between any of them. That's how you can upgrade. My MetaMask is stuck. Okay, yep, just close it out. You might have to actually close it. Yep, Stephanie, just close it. Can you still upgrade Founders Pack? Hopefully I just answered that. You will not be able to split payment. 2 different forms of payment. You'll have to do it all at once. Lisa, thank you. No, you guys are awesome. You don't create the NFT here. This is just where we send it to you. The MetaMask ID, you'll be able to access it, Lynn, anytime you go into your MetaMask. So you don't need to save that. Just email it to us. And then if you ever need it again in the future, just log into your MetaMask. Lori, I'm so grateful. It was so easy. Okay, Susie, that's really helpful. If you're having problems, Susie started over, deleted the wallet, and created a new one, had 0 issues the second time. Think it's possible the system just got stuck. Yep. So if you're stuck, that's okay. Just delete it, start over. Yep. That's a great question, Myra. So on Monday, we will send out an email to everyone who's reserved a digital collectible, and you guys will have first dibs on getting the one you want. Just remember there are limited ones of each. So once we send that email out, make sure you hurry over and get your digital collectible. Now,
also, go ahead.
Go ahead.
I was going to say also what you guys need to know is that as a leader or as a newbie in the industry, one of the things that's really important to the health of your organization is to teach. So what you're going to do is point people, and I learned this from Mark Yarnell before he passed away, one of the greatest networkers of all time, Ashley and Rodney. Rodney was very close with him. He said to me, Danielle, the best networkers point people to the information and let the information do the teaching. What you're going to do today, and this is very important, is spend your time today getting everyone in your organization, whether you have your own team page or whether you want to tag them on the corporate page under this post, this recording. You want to make sure you're in contact with everyone on both of your legs and let them know to get their MetaMask set up so that they can have their digital image come to them within a week of purchase. So that's one of your responsibilities. Even though we're teaching it, you should also do it for yourself and then teach it down to your downline.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Do we get a confirmation email from Awaken? So we will see. There's a good chance we'll have thousands of these emails coming in. So I will get with, we have our VIP support team handling this. And what they'll be doing is they'll be copying and pasting that MetaMask wallet address into your back office. Yes, Becky, you need MetaMask in order to view your NFT. Yep, in order to view it and store it. Christy, I put that email address up there again for you. And the packages you purchase Monday. Yes, Monday is the day, you guys. That's so exciting. And just so you guys know, everything goes live Monday. So Monday is the go day, except for shipping of the product, obviously. But Monday, everything will be pushed. All commissions will be pushed live. So if you've had people order starter packs on your team in the last, 5-6 weeks, those will all be pushed live Monday. So Monday's go day. Okay.
No, no one can order retail on Monday, Christy. Great question. The day that we go live and say we shipped our first bottle is the day you can start signing in customers, which we're hoping for around Friday of next week, no later than the 31st of October. We'll have a date soon. And no, it's not us holding up the date. I'm going to throw that out there.
Yeah,
it's not us.
We'd be walking that product from New York to Utah if we could. Okay, no, you don't get to pick which one you want. Our system automatically generates that, you guys. Lynn, I'm so glad it was so easy. If you already reserved an Elite Founder Pack, I will get it, correct? Okay, so let's make sure everyone understands. Just because you reserved it doesn't mean you've purchased it. So if you reserved it, you'll get an email letting you know you're ready to purchase it. You'll be put on the VIP list of people who can go purchase it, but you will have to go purchase it. So just because you reserved it doesn't mean you've purchased it. On Monday, you will need to go through and purchase it.
And someone also asked about, there was one thing. No, yeah, thank you, Amanda. So no, Karen asked, so they can't purchase Monday. We want to clarify, launch date of the minting and us being an active company that's starting to charge for these packs starts Monday. Shipping is a different date. We're hoping it's by Friday of next week. And the day we ship is the day we open for customers. Just put that on your team pages. We told you guys early on that you had 2 days to fund your NFTs. That was in the case of a sellout. We are over half sold out. So we suggest the sooner you fund, the sooner you're qualified and can make commissions. So don't wait. But there are a limited amount of each type of the NFTs, right? We're not sold out in any category, but we can tell you the last we checked, the $34.95 was the one that was the most sold. And actually, as your chief sales officer, I thought the lower one would be the most sold. The $34.95 is the one that has sold the most.
Yes. Okay, I had someone asking, how do you log back in on a desktop after you've done it? So MetaMask is an extension, so you'll need to go up to your extensions and then choose MetaMask. And then it will pop up and you put your password in and you'll unlock it. Hopefully that helps.
Would it be fair to say, Ashley, that maybe Monday night's corporate call, we'll just do a Q&A and answer questions and help people with getting minted and anything they're running into? Should we kind of plan for Monday night to be where if there's any issues, instead of them trying to get a hold of us all day?
Yes. So if you have any issues minting, please email nft@awakennation.com. Let's make this very clear, though. We worked so hard to make it feel like you are just purchasing something in the back office. So if you go into the back office and go to purchase a starter pack or anything, it will feel exactly like that if you're purchasing with a credit card. So make sure you know your login to your back office. That's where you'll be purchasing these. If you're going to purchase with crypto, that's awesome. The process is also super simple. All you do is connect your MetaMask account and then bam, you're done. So we really hope that there are no issues, but I do think, Danielle, let's talk on Monday. Let's have our Monday night call, be going over any questions. We can kind of do like a live Q&A.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Somebody said they wanted to see the digital collectibles again, of course. There we go. I'm so glad you guys think they're beautiful. We do too. Are these only for people who purchased the Founders Pack? Yes, these are only for people who purchased the Founders Packs. Yep, so from desktop to access, you have to click on Chrome extension. Yep. No. Have we already answered some of these questions? Yeah, I think I'm way behind. I'm way behind. Customer ordering did not go live on Monday. That happens when we first start to ship. Judy, you will receive that email on Monday. So yeah, as someone said, stock your email. Yes, do.
And check your spam just in case you don't see it before you start calling everyone.
Yep, Emery, that's a great question. No need to be sad. She said, what does minting mean with a sad face? No, we're here to learn. We're here to wake up. So minting means that's pretty much saying purchasing your digital collectible. So minting is just the process that we kind of described where our mint machine gathers all the layers, puts it all in one, and creates a complete unique image. That's what minting is. There's not an appraised value on these NFTs. I mean, although we think they're beautiful, there's not an appraised value. The value really comes with all the perks associated with the with the Founders Pack that you guys are purchasing. This is the elite founder. So if you guys get a premier or essential founder, the titles down here will be different. And yes, everybody's picture will be slightly different. So like you can see that these pictures are a lot alike, but there's a slight difference in the sun flare. Kind of. Okay. Can you upgrade once you purchase? No. So make sure, that's a really good question. Make sure you purchase the one you want, because there will not be any upgrading. And leads me into another question or another thing, you guys. I want to make very sure, and please make sure your teams know this too, because we'd rather not have people purchase if they are going to refund it, because these are completely non-refundable. Every part of these is non-refundable. The product, the convention tickets, every part of the Founders Packs are non-refundable. That's because you're really purchasing like a VIP membership to Awakened. I think I used last time, it'd be like purchasing a gym membership and being like, well, I don't really like the gym showers, so will you guys pay me back for like what the cost of that is? Like, you couldn't do that. So this is really like a VIP membership. No aspect of these are refundable. So make sure you communicate that with your teams, so they're not thinking they can return the product. No, everything in there is non-refundable. Can digital collectibles be printed out? Yes. Yes. So if you guys store it on your MetaMask, you can print them out. Where can we display our NFT? So Facebook and Instagram both allow you to display your NFT. And like Amanda said, you can print it out. We will be doing really cool things with these NFTs as well, you guys, to really, our founding members, anyone who purchases a digital collectible, they're kind of like VIP. I know you guys know that. You get VIP support, you get VIP treatment, especially at convention. So we'll be using these. We can print them on shirts. We can do all kinds of things for you guys once you become a founding member. Yep, the founding packs are a complete bundle that can't be separated. Yes. Carol, if you set it up on the phone, do we also have to set up on desktop to print? That might actually be a good idea. So if you set it up on your phone and then you go to set it up on desktop, just make sure you set up the same account. You don't need to create a new account on your desktop. just make sure you put in that import, you do the import wallet. That might make it easier. Actually, that's a great suggestion. That might make it easier to print out your digital collectible. Yes, Monica, I love it. How long are conference tickets good for? Yes, so we will allow you to use those conference tickets for all of 2023 and 2024. So those will be, we will honor those in 2023 and 2024. You guys, I'm so sorry. My dog is like, Danielle, go for it.
Okay. And for those of you who want to know, the tickets are only good if it's a corporate run event. If someone in the field decides to throw their own regional event, it's run by field leaders. These tickets are not for that. But anything that corporate does, a regional event, a national event, you'll be able to redeem those tickets. So don't stress. Another thing is, I don't know that there's quite a few of you guys on here. If you really understand that we are the first direct sales company in the history of network marketing that has a product offering that actually is offering a digital collectible offering. We're the first ones to do it. It is history in the making. We had several owners of companies come to us when we were in Dallas and say to us they want to do the same. And they're blown away that we're already doing it kind of before the masses do. So you're going to see other companies start coming out with digital collectibles that are network marketing companies, but you're part of the first. I'm looking to see if there's any questions here that I need to answer. So Myra, you always have value if you're holding it, right? Because at every event you go to for the life of your business, you're a VIP. You're part of the master training if you are one of these founding members holders. And if you're an elite founding member, you're actually part of the owners training. You'll get training from me, from Rodney, Ashley, Scott, for the life of the business. Certain things run out, such as the check match that goes 5 years, 3 years, or 1 year, right? The tickets, at some point you use them all, those run out. But the most important part of these, right, is the check match. That's really, really incredible. But you're always going to get those VIP benefits for as long as you're in the company. Great question. Can you upgrade to elite? Of course you can. The day that you go to pay, whether it's Monday or Tuesday, just choose the elite. You don't have to let anyone know. You can just choose it.
Yeah, Mindy, I think what might be confusing, so let's clear that up, is after you purchase it, there's no upgrading or downgrading. But just from reserving it, if you reserve the essential one and on Monday you go to purchase and you want to purchase the elite, like Danielle said, totally fine. It's just after you purchase, there will be no upgrading or downgrading. Can you share the tickets? Yes, Teresa, that's what we're hoping. We're hoping that you purchase, the elite pack and you get all those convention tickets and you bring your team, because for anyone who's attended an event, and I'm so excited for you guys to attend ours, we're putting together something really, truly epic. That's where people just like melt with the company and get to know us and get to know everybody else. And that's where really, I think they always say leaders are born at events. So we want you to, share those tickets with your team. Will we need to connect our bank info to Meta if we use a debit card to pay? Okay, Susan, no. If you use a debit or credit card to pay, your MetaMask account, you will not be using that at all, except for holding your digital collectible. So your MetaMask account will not be involved in the purchase process if you're using a credit or debit card. Amanda, oh, that makes us so happy. You will succeed. You already have succeeded. Yes. Will people be able to still come in at Founder after Monday? Yes. So those digital collectibles the founding packs will be available for as long as they don't run out. Lynn Thomas, yes. So it will be kind of exactly like the starter packs that people are purchasing. You might need to call, if you're using a credit or debit card, you might need to call your bank to do prior authorization. That's a really good point. It's a large ticket item purchase, so you may need to call your bank. How many are left? How many digital collectibles are left? All of them, because we have not gone live yet. So on Monday, everyone who reserved one will be sent an email, and then within 24 hours, we will send an email out to the rest of the field, letting them know. So you'll have kind of that period of time to be the first one to purchase it. Do you know what name will be on the chart? That's a good question. For credit and debit, it will be Awakened. And if you use crypto, there won't be a name on the chart because it won't go through your credit card. Beverly, yep, Chrome extension. If you got out of MetaMask, you get back in with the Chrome extension. Okay. Any other last questions? You guys are awesome. I'm so proud of everyone who downloaded their MetaMask. I hope it was super simple. I know some of you guys got stuck because of internet or, the app was just not downloading, but I hope that it eased some of the heartburn people were getting. Hey, Danielle, are we good?
We're good.
Okay, yeah. Perfect. Okay, awesome. You guys keep a lookout for your email on Monday.